Hey, I'm Brian Shulman from Nashville, Tennessee. I came down to Stem Cells Colombia after doing 2 years of research to do full stem cells and exosomes. The process has been fantastic, very professional, as if it's like a concierge type approach. Everything's been explained in detail. Yesterday I had surgery somewhat, I had some injections. Dr. Diana was incredible, very smart lady, extremely proficient, spent a lot of time with me, great bedside manner to make sure that I had all my questions answered. Feel good, a little soreness in my hip from the hip injection, but that was all expected. It's not really pain, it's just a little uncomfortable. Everything else feels great. Very safe, the hotel's really nice, the food's been great, and the people have been really nice. Everything has been a great process.